Mastering the art of referencing attachments in emails. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very important topic when it comes to email writing, something that often gets overlooked, but is crucial for clear and effective communication: referencing attachments. Yes, you heard it right. We're going to explore how to correctly refer to the attachments in the body of an email. Let's get started. Whenever we're sharing files, documents, images, or any other resources via email, it's crucial that we make a clear reference to these attachments in the email body. This not only gives our reader a heads up about what's included, but also why it's important and what they should do with it. So remember, never assume that your recipient knows what you've attached. Always explicitly mention it in your email. There are many ways you can mention the attachments in your email, but remember, the key is to be clear and concise. Timing is also important. It's usually a good idea to mention attachments as you reference the relevant topic or towards the end of the email. Here are some common phrases that you can use. 1. Please find attached the meeting agenda. 2. I've attached the spreadsheet with our monthly sales. 3. Attached. You'll find the brochure with all the information. When referencing attachments, it's also crucial to make it meaningful. Try to explain briefly what the attachment is and why it's important. For instance, instead of just saying, "Please find attached the document," you could say, "Please find attached the report that details our financial performance in Q3. This will give you a better understanding of our progress." This not only gives your recipient a clear idea of what the attachment is, but also why it's important and how they should use it. When referencing multiple attachments, it's important to be clear about what each file is. Rather than saying, "Please find the documents attached," you can say, "I have attached 3 documents: the meeting agenda, the sales spreadsheet, and the product brochure." This way, your recipient knows exactly what to expect in each file. That's it for today's session. Remember, referencing attachments in your emails is a simple yet crucial step for effective communication. Always make sure you inform your recipient about what you have attached, why it's important, and what they should do with it. I hope you found this video helpful, and with this knowledge, you can now compose your emails more confidently and professionally. Until our next session, happy emailing!